Have you ever wondered why your periods sometimes go off track? This video is here to help you with some useful tips and a natural herbal remedy to regulate irregular periods effectively. How to regulate irregular periods naturally. When periods become irregular, it can be frustrating, but there's good news. Natural methods can be highly effective in helping your body get back on track. Many factors, like stress, diet changes, or hormonal imbalances, can cause your cycle to fluctuate. However, natural approaches offer a way to support your body's rhythm without harsh treatments. By paying attention to your overall health, nourishing your body with balanced nutrition, and maintaining an active lifestyle, you can gently encourage regularity in your menstrual cycle. The key is to be patient and consistent with these natural steps, which promote a gradual, lasting balance in your body. Natural remedy to regulate irregular periods. Gynecure Capsule is a natural dietary supplement designed to improve women's reproductive health by promoting a regular menstrual cycle and easing associated discomfort. Crafted from a blend of 28 powerful herbs, such as ashok, lodra, and nagkesar, it effectively balances hormones, addresses menstrual irregularities, and helps minimize heavy bleeding. Consistent use of Gynecure capsules can support women in achieving a healthy menstrual cycle, ultimately leading to improved reproductive health and vitality. Effective home remedies for irregular periods. Maintain a balanced diet. Various fruits, vegetables, and whole grains support hormonal balance. Add omega-3 fatty acids, like fish and flax seeds, for extra help. Stay hydrated. Drinking enough water is essential for overall health and can assist in regulating your menstrual cycle. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water daily to keep everything flowing smoothly. Manage stress. Stress can disrupt your hormones, leading to irregular periods. Techniques like yoga or meditation can help calm your mind and restore balance. Regular exercise. Physical activity improves blood circulation and helps balance hormones. Find an enjoyable activity, like walking or dancing, to keep your body moving. Best exercises to regulate irregular periods. Choose cardio activities. Cardiovascular exercises, like walking, jogging, or cycling, can improve circulation and promote hormonal balance. Even a brisk 30-minute walk can elevate your mood and overall well-being. Add strength training. Lifting weights or resistance bands can help build muscle and support metabolism. Aim for 2 to 3 weekly sessions, focusing on major muscle groups, to boost your body's natural rhythm. Practice yoga and stretching. Yoga can be particularly beneficial for managing stress and calming the mind. Consider gentle poses like a child's pose or cat-cow to help regulate your cycle while fostering a sense of relaxation. Find activities you enjoy. The key to consistency is enjoyment. Whether it's dancing, swimming, or group classes, finding activities that excite you will make it easier to stick with your exercise routine. Remember, you're more likely to keep moving when you have fun. For optimal results in regulating irregular periods naturally, pair these effective home remedies and exercise with a consistent 3-month regimen of Gynecure capsules. This powerful combination can truly make a difference in your menstrual health. You can find Gynecure capsules at ayurvedresearch.com and begin your journey to natural menstrual balance today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay tuned for our next video, where we reveal how to improve your menstrual cycle naturally.